This is the seat that comes with it, but I got the other seat with the headrest. So what I need to do, I need to attach this post onto this one. There's a little Allen key, so I loosen this and it looks like it's a bracket that goes on it, hopefully. Pull that lever. Slide in, down. Looks like it wants tilting. I want that straight, flatter. So, how do I tilt it? Is it that one? Okay. To tilt the seat forwards and backwards to get it level, the Allen key underneath, loosen it, position where you want it, then you have to tighten it. Not much room, so you're going to have to lift it up a bit. Again, 2 people. Tighten it. Before I confirm that, let's up a bit more perhaps. I'll go up a touch. So you've got to slack it off again. Once you've got the height of the seat, then use this lever to tighten it. Push it. You have to push firmly to lock that in place. But again, once you've got the height, okay, with the wheel, this cable has to go into here, and you have to line up the arrows. Now we'll do that with 2 hands, not with 1. I'm holding the camera. So that goes in there, and then you can clip the wire in there, which is good. Stops it loose. Line the arrows up, and then it says push firmly. Yeah, arrows lined up, pushed it firmly. This cable, push into there. That keeps it in place. Right, I've got myself a cup of tea. Now, the pedals come with a warning. They're telling you, you must make sure you put the left on the correct side and the right. It also tells you which way to use the spanner to tighten them, because they are opposite ways. So we'll have a look at that one. Okay. Oh. This is the right pedal. It's got a sticker. So if I'm sat on the bike, this is the right side. Now, it says the right pedal goes in the right side, and you tighten this clockwise with the spanner. So turn it clockwise. That's done. So spanner 17 side. That seems okay. That were easy enough. The left hand side, it says obviously the left side for the left pedal, and I have to do this anti-clockwise. So this is an anti-pedal. So anti-clockwise is that way, towards the front. Yeah, that's going in. $17. Don't take much tightening, just a little nip. So it's both pedals are towards the front of the trike. So we've got the basket, the handlebars, the seat, mud guards, pedal. I think I'm almost ready for turning it on. Oh, I want to check how that comes out.